Missing people never found or homicide cases never figured out. Cold cases fill binders at the Jackson County Sheriff's Office.
At some point was investigated and then became inactive because all of the leads were pursued and we weren't able to identify a suspect or make an arrest.
Captain Tim Snaith says there are about 24 unsolved cases in Jackson County dating back to 1960. The details investigators have gathered are in dozens of binders behind this door. Out of respect for the families and friends of those missing or deceased, the Sheriff's Office did not allow me to film inside the room. I did catch a glimpse of this book, but I couldn't look inside because it has classified information. Detectives can refer to this cold case book. It acts as a synopsis for all of the open cases since the 1960s. Even if investigators determine a case to be cold, that doesn't mean all hope is lost in finding the suspect or missing person.
Either through getting new information or a cold case investigator reopening the case and going through the details and finding maybe something that was overlooked or an interview that could be redone to try to glean new information.
The Sheriff's Office has a part-time investigator who works solely on cold cases. One case from about 2 decades ago has just been brought back up to the surface.
We actually have a case now that was, some follow-up was done. It's from the 90s, and some new information was gleaned from that follow-up investigation, and that case is being sent over to the district's attorney's office for review for charges as we speak.
Regardless if the case was from 2 years ago or 20 years ago, any new information could reignite an investigation.
Anytime somebody calls in with a new lead, the new lead will be given to our investigator, who will pursue that lead to the fullest extent.
Covering your news, Justin Matthews, News 10.